Right, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Hbar video update today. I know you guys love Hbar and same energy from me as well. I also love Hbar. So let's talk about Hbar, okay? And what is exactly going to happen. Now I do see a very strong buying for Hbar and there's like 396,000 USD volume on the Maxi exchange. I just have to check the Binance as well and see how the Binance exchange is going to be. Just a second right here because I'm checking this on the laptop, not on the phone, just in case you're wondering nothing is happening. Yeah, so on the Binance, Hbar. Well, it's not even visible, but it's actually being bought right now on the Maxi exchange. So the Maxi exchange got a lot of volume going on for Hbar. And I'm just going to go back into the daily time frame here and zoom out of Hbar. Now, recently, I've been thinking of buying Hbar for the long term. Have you seen the accumulation happening here and the move that happened here previously? This is almost the very same scenario. We could end up having a very big accumulation, and this coin is just good enough for me to say yes. It kind of passes my long-term testing because I do like to see which coin has the power. I do like Matic for the long term, and it seems like Hbar is getting into the spotlight. So which one do you like the most, Hbar or do you like Matic? Tell me in the comments. And if you want me to do this regular updates on Hbar, do like this video as well. Now at the moment I do see Hbar moving and to a particular price target, and we have broken out of this one resistance. So I'm just going to drop the line like that, and you see there's a pattern that has been broken. You went up sideways like this, coiled up, moving up, and you're looking to go to the upside. You can almost say like this is a cup, this is a handle right there, and we do have a technical target. So I'm going to take the trend line and drop the trend line from there to there, and we're looking for Hbar to basically move up here, and you do have the technical target to 0.07, so 0.0701, and that is going to be another push. Certainly if you do get there, we're going to be looking at a 13% move to the upside. Now one thing is expected though, you can actually come just a little bit, drop down here, retest this line again, and then finally push up. So 12%, 13% or 14% is a setup that you do have for Hbar. Currently at the moment on the smaller time frames, if you're wondering what's going on with Hbar and why is it pumping, yes, the buying is strong. The volume is also there. I'm pretty sure about this one. So talking about the volume, let's turn on the volume as well. You can see that we had some volume spikes right over there, some volume spikes right over here, and it's always a good idea to zoom in there. You can see how healthy the volume has been. You can see when you broke out here, the volume was also amazing. So it does look like eventually you are looking to just come down like this and then go up to this technical target. I am wondering and thinking of putting this trade on my private channel as well. So that's pretty much it for this update on Hbar. Just a quick one. Like this video. Maybe if it does get 50 likes, I'm going to think of a part 2, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.